machine. Still work. Brewed some coffee in this machine. Still hot. Turns off by itself. The ground. It works. Thanks for watching and peace.